I'm eating Kit Kat that I stole from my sister-in-law. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. See, you look like a mad person. Look at her. Come and show your face. Come, bring it. It's not only way you're looking for and becoming here. You're hiding. Come and show them. Every day. This is Uche's job every day. She'll lose her hair and make it. She'll make it today, losing it tomorrow. Making it tomorrow, losing it. When did you losing that your hair? Before your birthday? Because I traveled, that's why you're been mad.
No, I made
looking
it.
Mad.
When you travel, I made it. I just looked at it. He was coming back.
We started like that. Anyways, you guys, this is a special vlog, okay? This is a special vlog because I have something special to tell you people. So stay tuned for the news. I'm about to go see Kelly Girl, then do house shopping and a bunch of things. So this is just going to be like a day in the life, okay? Even though it's already midday, it's already like 11:30, the kids are already in school. But yeah, the whole point of this vlog is to share the news with you guys. So stay tuned. Coco, how was school today?
School today was fine.
School today was fine.
Yeah.
Do you miss Kaito?
Yes.
Come, give me the party pack you're carrying is bigger than you. So guys, see, keeping a secret on this YouTube is just a lot, okay? It is a whole lot. Oh, have I said welcome back to my channel? I feel like this part of the video won't even be the start of the video, if you get what I mean. But just in case I didn't welcome you back, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm in a good mood today. I'm clearly hyper. I just finished talking to Dinah about her baby shower and it's getting me excited. I like to plan things. I like to plan things. I like parties, I like drinking, I like dancing, I like all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm going to see her tomorrow and we'll discuss further, but that is not why we're here today. As I was saying, keeping a secret on this YouTube is a lot. People keep commenting, Nelo, why is this like this? Nelo, why did you paint your wall black? Nelo, why is your son's head blue? Nelo, why is your son not talking? Nelo, why is this one? Why is this one? I'm just like, okay. And I'm sure that if you're an oldie on this channel, you already know this top. See, this top is my home and abroad, okay? I wear this top like 2 times a week if I'm nice, just because, you know, if I wear it on Monday, I'll probably wash during the week and then wear it again at the end of the. And I have it in 2 colors. That's how much I love this cup. I have it in this top. I have it in 2 colors. So if you're new to this channel, please get used to this top because you're going to be seeing it a lot. And I'm never going to feel bad about that because, to be honest, it's my favorite top. It's so free. The hands are so free, so open. The top is so loose. I am fat, so I don't need something to be hugging my body. That's why I wear this top a lot, okay? So, what is my secret? You guys, it's not even that important. I'm sure from the title of this video, you will be thinking I have one big secret. I don't even know what I'm going to title this video. I might even reveal the secrets in the title or the thumbnail or something. But just in case I didn't, you know what? Let me stand up. I need to stand up for this news. finally, I can breathe. Ugh, I can finally vlog well. Do you know how difficult it is trying to hide a pregnancy, for God's sake? And whenever I'm vlogging, sometimes my tummy shows. I'm like, oh no, I have to delete this clip. I can't even. In fact, a lot of you have been commenting, oh, why have you been so emotional? Why are you crying twice? Like the vlog where I was crying that I didn't meet my goddaughter's birthday. I'm sure that you're pregnant. Oh, why are you eating too much abacha? That your abacha is too much. I'm sure you're pregnant. But let me just make something clear. Pregnant or not, I eat a lot, okay? Pregnant or not, that is the quantity of food that I eat. But then I've just been getting some side comments. I'm just like, you guys, it's not like I don't want to share, just that I just thought it was too early, and I've had a miscarriage before. I have a video on that somewhere on my channel, so please just find it if you want to hear the story about my miscarriage. But I've had a miscarriage before. The space in my memory card finished, so I had to delete and come back. Anyways, I've had a miscarriage before. My very first pregnancy, before I had Kobe, and I did a miscarriage, and it was one of those pregnancies that once I just found out, I told everybody. So I had to retell everybody that I wasn't pregnant again. Some people were crying. I was the one consoling some people, even though I was the one that miscarried. So I'm just like, since that time, I always still tell my family, like my closest family members, not even every other person, on time once I find out. But for the most part, every other person gets to find out later, okay? Because we don't want to tell and untell. Pregnancy is a very sensitive thing, and anything can happen, even though we pray that nothing bad happens. But I'm finally happy to share it with you guys. I don't know, I just hated keeping the secret, to be honest. I'm not a type to hide my pregnancy. When I was pregnant for Kaito, I told everybody on YouTube. Everybody knew from, well, not from start, from when I was 4 months, just like now that I am 4 months pregnant. I can't believe I'm already 4 months gone. And you guys, this pregnancy is been a roller coaster from day one. Even, in fact, at first I wasn't even sure I was pregnant. The ups and downs, all the medications, all the scans, them not being able to find the baby's heartbeat. In fact, not even being able to find the baby at all. Imagine testing positive, but they cannot see any child inside. They're like, madam, just wait for this baby to come out, because there's no baby. In fact, it's a long story, and I filmed a video like weeks ago, maybe like 2-3 months ago, 2 months ago probably, like just telling you guys how my, like, the first few weeks of this pregnancy was, because it was a lot for me to handle emotionally. So I filmed that video. It will be up any moment now, and I hope I'm not talking too fast, but sorry Sha, in case. It will be up any moment. I feel Francis' reaction when I told him. See, but mind you, this is not baby number one, okay? So reaction wasn't as it was for baby number one. But it was so cute. So yeah, I filmed his reaction, me telling him. The video will be up soon. I don't know when all these videos will be up, because I have vlogs and a lot of other videos that I want to go up before those ones. But thank God for content, okay? Thank God for content. We're going to be putting it out there small. And what else? Yes, I'm finding out the gender this week actually, okay? Because the girl is finally 4 months. So I'm finding out the gender this week. Francis' birthday is on Thursday. Today is Monday. His birthday is on Thursday. So we want to find out the gender on his birthday at the birthday surprise. We're hoping it's a girl. You already know I have 2 boys, okay? So there is no anyone, no. We are hoping it's a girl. And the way this pregnancy happened, let me not gist to people, because there are videos coming up that will tell the story. I have the video of when I tested and everything, even though I didn't even think I was going to be pregnant the month that I got pregnant, because we didn't like actively try to get pregnant that month, but it just happened. But we were ready to get pregnant. Just that month a lot of things happened. We were not actively trying. So yes, I'm just so happy. You see how happy I am? I'm just so happy and so excited to share this news. Francis' birthday is on Thursday, so I'm planning his birthday. And see, that birthday vlog, there's no way I'll not show myself in it, okay? From what I'm planning, which I cannot say because the Francis is gonna watch this video before Thursday, so I cannot say what I'm planning. Francis is my biggest supporter. Let me just tell you guys, not just supporter. Immediately my video goes live, bam, he's watching. I can hear him. He wakes up very early to get ready for work in the morning. At around, I think his alarm goes off 5:30. So every day, as he's brushing, sometimes I can hear myself. Like, I can literally hear myself, because I can hear him watching my video. And But he's a silent subscriber. I was just telling you yesterday, babe, do you know you're this most silent subscriber on my channel? You watch all my videos, you like. He does not skip ads, you guys. He will watch all the ads in full. In fact, even click on the ads, engage on the ads, even buy something from Konga, all those places, just to engage on my ad. But he will never leave a comment. I think he has only left 1 or 2 comments on my YouTube. If you're watching this video, stop being a silent subscriber, Francis, and every other person that's a silent subscriber. Okay, I love you all. Please comment, like, communicate. Okay, it helps my channel. It really helps. So please make sure to comment from time to time. If you can't comment in every video, I'm deviating, but I'm deviating. You guys can tell I'm too happy. I'm just so hyper. Oh, it's not, I mean, I've not eaten, and when I've not eaten, I really don't look that pregnant. But I'm 4 months, but I feel like I don't look that pregnant because I've not eaten. But you guys, once I eat, my tummy gets this big. And yes, I'm just happy, so happy. This is the last baby, okay? After this one, no more, finished, school closed, done. If I get 3 boys, I know people have asked me if I get 3 boys, I mean, I'll be just a little bit disappointed that I didn't get my girl. Not a little bit, I'll be a whole lot of disappointed that I didn't get a girl that I really wanted. I know some people come and say, oh, some people don't have children, blah blah blah. Yeah, I understand their struggles, but for me, it's just like when you don't get something you want, you still get disappointed. Like, if you don't make that million, even though you have a lot of money in your account, you're still disappointed. So that's how it is. It doesn't mean that some children are not hungry in another part of the world. So please, if it's a boy, I hope it's not, and you see me crying or being disappointed, don't be one of those that will say you're ungrateful, you're this and that, because I will block you. Okay, I will block you. But yes, I really hope it's a girl, and I cannot wait to find out this week. And yes, that's what I wanted to come out here and share with you guys today. And yeah, this is basically the end of this vlog. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys later.